You have a very good product. You have been producing and selling consistently, but somehow you don't seem to realize enough money to make that business to grow. It is not peculiar to you. This is common to small scale producers, those that are just starting in the business. Now, in today's video, I want to show you 5 reasons why small scale producers struggle with growth. And these 5 principles I want to share with you will definitely take your business to the next level. Let's get started. Reason number 1: confusing sales with business growth. A business owner may say, "I sold 1,000 bottles last month." That is good, but sales alone is not enough to let us know whether a business is growing or not. Growth should also mean more customers, better ability to retain customers, increased capacity, more profit to reinvest into the business, and also being able to handle everything without chaos. You can sell more and still remain financially stuck if all the money coming in is being constantly consumed. Sales will put money in your business, but it takes a good business management to know what to do with that money. Number 2 reason is constant withdrawal of money from that business. This is particularly common to small producers. They make sales today and tomorrow they use all the money for their personal needs, household expenses, or unrelated spending that has nothing to do with the business. Then the time for production comes and there's no money. They don't have enough material, so they will resort to borrowing money to do the business again, or they will produce less and reduce the quality of what they are producing. Then the cycle continues that way. That is not encouraging growth in any way. Business money and personal money should not be in the same pocket. They have to be separated. A producer should know when to use and when not to. Even as a small producing business, you should be able to know what belongs to that business and what can come to you as your own income. It has to be separated. If you continually eat what's supposed to feed your business, then don't be surprised when your business is being starved. Reason number 3 is not investing strategically. This is different from simply making money from the business. Some small producers make money, but the issue is not reinvesting enough back into the business to sustain it. And even when they reinvest, they don't know the essence of that reinvestment. They invest or reinvest to buy things that do not create growth in any way. Strategic reinvestment could mean buying better equipment for the production process, buying better material for repackaging and product presentation, restocking raw material, training more people to join in the workforce, creating better ways of serving the customers and ensuring that they remain with you. The question should not just be, what am I buying for this business? It should be, what investments do I need to make to be able to produce and serve my customers better? Reinvestment should be able to solve a business problem and not just to satisfy the owner's interest of buying new things. Some people just make a little money and the next thing is they are buying that G-Wagon, they are buying that car. Now that is good, but there is time for everything. Number 4 reason is when the business owner builds everything about the business to depend on him. When he's the only one that can buy materials for the business, he's the only one that can produce, he's the only one that can package and make supply to customers. He's the only one that answers all the orders, and everything is revolving around one person. That business will eventually grow to the capacity of that person and it will cease. The business that is, being managed by just one person and he is the one running everything cannot grow beyond that person's capacity because there is no system. So the problem will be that the business will be limited by the person's ability to handle things. This is the reason why some businesses remain small. It's not as if what they are selling is not good, but because there is no system on ground. As your business grows, you need to think about many things like who and who do I need to train to handle some things in the business? What and what do I need to invest in? I cannot be the only one that is running everything. So you need to delegate, train people and delegate them. If everything in that business is depending on you, then your limit becomes the limit of the business. This is the reason why some businesses remain small. There is no room for expansion because it is depending on the capacity of just the owner. Reason number 5 is they don't really put in their best in retaining customers. Many small producers put in all their energy in production and they don't think about who their customers are, how can we make them to come back to us. But they forgot that business is not just about production. Production is just one part of the business. Now, getting your customers, making them, satisfied and ensuring that they come back and again and make referrals for you is what actually makes your business to grow. If the customers you have only buy once and then they disappear, it means that your business will be starting all over again from point zero every time. And that is not a good way to grow a business. As a small scale producer, you have to find out who are your ideal customers. How can you keep them satisfied so that they can keep coming back to you? What else do you need to do to really attract more customers to your business? So you have to think in that direction and not just on production. Business does not grow simply because you are producing more products. No, it can only grow when you are able to retain your customers. You are making sales consistently and you are able to retain your customers, and above that, even increasing your customer base. So guys, let me leave you with this. Don't just become good at production. You have to become good at marketing your products, investing wisely, and ensuring that you create systems that can be running whether you are there or not. When you have all these things in place, your business will surely grow beyond what it is presently. So whether you are thinking of starting a small production business or you're already in one, apply these principles and you can see the transformation that they will definitely bring to your business. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, share, and subscribe to Unique Home Solutions and more. Every Monday, we bring videos on oil perfume and how to make a business around it. On Thursdays, we talk about cleaning products, the formulation and production. And on Saturdays like this, we talk about things that can help small-scale businesses to move to the next level. Thank you guys for watching. God bless you and see you again in our next. Bye.